Because here no fish big, small fish. If you put big jinga after, he cannot do. So small fish you see finishing. Sometimes soya big, and then he try to pull it.
Soybean also is weighted.
It's number 3. Okay, yeah. That's it. मालूम होला
मालूम कुल्ला मालूम.
हाँ
जद्दा समंदर के किनारे माशाल्लाह फिशिंग चल रही है. देखिए कश्ती मेरी यहाँ पर बोट लोड एंड लोडिंग. मच्छियाँ पकड़े जा रहे हैं बड़े बड़े जालों से.
more than 40 real, 100 meter. This wire, huh? This, if you buy there, this is another wire, not this. Same like this wire. This is no good.
No good.
Yeah, always open. Check this one.
It's catch it, huh? ये देखिए मच्छी आई है यहाँ पर दिख रही. ये बेंड हो रहा है.
How many years fishing?
No, before I don't like fishing. Now I'm 26 years in Saudi Arabia. But when I go to the Dubai, Al Dubai, Neom project, there too much fish.